How to create folders in Visual Studio Code. So we're just going to start by clicking on File in the top navigation and then selecting Open Folder. You can then go and select where you want to create this new folder. So I'll be creating this in my documents, and then you can just press the New Folder button and go and give your folder a name. So I'm going to call this Website, and then you can just select the folder like so and click on Select Folder. Click on Yes, I trust the authors, and you can click on the drop down arrow to go and open up this folder. Now to go and create a file inside of the folder, click on the Create File button. You can then give your file a name, so I'm going to call this index.html, and then you can go and open up this file and you can obviously add all of your different source code. Now you can also create folders inside of folders, so I can add a new folder by clicking this icon here, and I can go and give this a name as well. And then of course we can actually move our files into this second folder, so you can essentially have folders within folders. Let me know in the comments if you did find this video helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.